Good morning, everybody. It's November 14, 10 o'clock in the morning. I actually got out here a lot earlier than usual. Part of that's due to the fact that Valia started work early this morning, so I got up earlier. It's been raining all night. It is an absolute mud hole here. It's supposed to rain till, I think, almost 2 o'clock today, according to the forecast. I didn't bring a rain jacket, even though I looked directly at one at the house today, and I for some reason didn't bring it. It's cold, so I had a sweater on, but anyway, my goal was or is to put ventilation for our bathroom vent fans. The problem is I need to get on this tractor in the rain and go down through the mud and go down to the shed and get a bunch of tools. Then get all this mess I have back here. Sorry about that, but I have a bunch of parts and stuff for that. And so I'm going to get absolutely muddy mess before I ever get started. So I'm not looking forward to it. But I think I'm going to give it a chance, give it a shot. We'll see. All right. Well, you'll soon find out if I decide to go through with it or not. All right, guys, I am struggling to force myself to work in here. I don't think I'm going to, actually, because I've been debating I need to run these through up here through a bird block and a fascia board. And I could do a couple different ways as far as I know. My inexperienced DIY self thinks to myself that I could take a drill bit and drill in and just keep making the hole bigger and bigger, and then take like a sawzall or something and cut in a circle. But the space up there is kind of limited, kind of hard to do, and I feel like it would not be a beautiful circle either. It would be all kind of jaggedy and not a nice smooth fit. So what I'm thinking is going to the store and getting a hole saw blade, a 4-incher, so I can just cut perfectly through, have a perfectly round hole, minimal sealing up and all that stuff with some caulking, and that would make it look better and it would fit better, I think. So I'm looking at, we have this fan and we have this fan, and for whatever reason he said that he had to face them the opposite direction of what I wanted them. I don't know why. He said something about the way the wiring is. I don't get it, but yeah, he could have put this one over there facing that direction. So now I have to deal with go here and make a loop and go back. Same thing with this one. He could have put it the other way, I feel like. So I could have went straight, but now I have to go this way and make a loop to go back. So I did buy a 25-foot piece here, 4-inch ducting, and I measured it off, and I think I have about, I think it was about 10 feet, 10 and a half feet from this fan to go out here, and about 10 and a half, 11 feet to go out here. So I could just make them go straight, because I feel like rounding them creates a little bit of an obstacle for the air going through, and then they are sucking out, well, this one will be sucking out moisture, so more of a straight shot I feel like would be better. So that's what I think I'm going to do, is just go, this one's going to go out that way and this one's going to go out this way. So that's going to be the goal for that. So a quick, nobody's here, so I might as well show you guys really quick. We got outlet here now and an outlet here, and this is an outlet for outside temporarily until we get our house built over there. I don't have room for our big freezer, so I'm going to build something out here to put it under, and then we can plug it in here. We got outlet here, and then up here that you see these blue lights, and we're going to have sconces going on there. And then this one and this one pointing out are going to be the outside lights. We have switches. We got an outlet down here. This is going to be an outlet for outside. Outlet, that's where the stove's going to plug in. Outlet, outlet, switch and outlet. Down here will be for the dishwasher and the garbage disposal. You may ask yourself, why are some of these like this, or you may not. To me, it's just crazy what all the code is, so I'm not going to go over that because I'm not an electrician. There's things he told me, but you have to have outlets every so often. You have to have a certain distance from the sink. You have to have a certain distance from the walls. You have to have all this. So anyway, that's why all this stuff is here. This will be for the fridge. Outlet box here. Sconce here. Outdoor light here. Outdoor outlet here. Switch here. We've got sconce or recess lights here, and little light here. We've got outlet here. I don't know if show that or not. Switch. Outlets around. Recess light here, or we're thinking about doing an interesting, it's like a ceiling fan, yet it's inside of a kind of a wicker style light, so it's going to match the style that we're choosing. Washer dryer stuff. Recess light here. Outlet box, switch for recess lighting in here. And interesting, because I told this guy to put this over here, but he didn't. Hopefully it's okay over here, because it's really close to the bathtub. We're not allowed to put a vanity light in here because it's too close to the bathtub. So just this is going to be a light, and then this recess light here. So anyway, that's a little bit of a tour. Another box down here. This is our panel. Switch here. Our TV is going to hang over this, so you shouldn't see it, but I guess for inspection you can't have it covered, and then that was what the TV would plug into. So you can see all kinds of, well, I don't know what that's about. Oh, smoke detector. Okay. And you can see all the wires running in the roof and in the walls. Oh, we also have, I think one of these is also a smoke detector. Yeah, right here, CO2 and smoke. Or carbon monoxide, something, whatever they are. Anyway, that's a little tour. And plumber's got this in. He did some pressure tests. We got water in the tub. I guess it has to be full to do a particular test. He ran this pipe out the ceiling yesterday, I think. And by the time he told me he had done it, it was in the evening, and I was already geared to go home. And I saw that foam and assumed it would be watertight, but it's not. It's dripping in here. So hopefully that's not ruining our roof. There is a boot that he asked me to put up because he wasn't comfortable going up there again, and I'm not either, but one of us will go up there. Anyway, it's somewhere around here. I don't know. I need to find it. I don't know where it happened to it. But that's going to go up on the roof, and hopefully that'll cease the leaking. So yeah, everything's getting in and getting close to ready for inspection. All right, guys, doing a little bit of studying here on the water out the back door. So there'll be a landing right here with steps going down. Look how much water we got going on here. So our little doggy, Skittles, will be going
out this door. This will all be fenced in, and this will be her outdoor area for bathroom facilities and being outside. And she's not a fan of rain, and we're also going to do what it takes to her not be able to get muddy. So I'm really thinking gutters are going to be in order going the length of this place, just to keep this a little bit, because look at this is fairly dryish. It's just where the water's dropping is a little too wet. And then with a gutter here too, then we won't have water dripping on our landing as well. And then coming over here on the front side, you can see, because we want to put a retaining wall, because a lot of water comes down this driveway and comes in here. Yesterday I threw I put more wood chips and hay in this area just so we don't have too much going on, but you can still see there's puddles, and you can see this line where it's dripping off the roof. So I'm definitely thinking we need gutters. Oh well, I'm even seeing water's coming. I got a little bit of something I don't like right here coming off the wood instead of coming off of the outside. That's the only place I've seen that. So we're gonna have to check that out. Let me see that really quick. Oh, I see what's happening. That metal piece got pushed inside and it needs to be popped out. Let's see if I can take care of that right now. Okay, I made a little bit of a mess, but I got it. So it's coming down here on the outside now. And that's, that's where water comes together from both slants, so there's a lot coming there. All right, I'm glad I got that. That way it's not running on the inside. All right, guys, well, I guess what today was just kind of a little tour of the electrical and the plumbing, what we've gotten done so far, and showing you a little bit of the bathroom venting system and just where we're caught up to right now. So cold, it's like low 40s and just kind of breezy and rainy, so I don't think I'll be getting anything done today. But anyway, that's where we're at for today, and I will see you guys the next time I'm out here.